folks, so I did a pick in a little village, not quite a town I guess, technically a village, and it was divided up into two properties, so I ended up picking one of them, so essentially half the town, and ended up picking up some neat stuff. So I'm going to show that to you. I did a video of the pick itself, so you can check that out if you like. I'll try to put it in the, it'll be up here or around, it'll be on the screen somewhere near the end of the video. Alright, here we go. I'll show you what I bought. First of all, ended up getting this Gulf antifreeze can, a little bill hook. Bill hook should be good for $10–15. Same with the oil spout, probably another 15. Same with the cool matches, probably 15 because it is pretty rough. I collect Verdun related stuff. This happens to be a Verdun keychain, but then got a Coleman. I'm not sure what model that is. I'll have to get it checked out. And then I got another Coleman. Right there, almost identical, that one. And another Coleman, right there. So we got three Colemans, almost identical. This one has a brass top, so it's older than these two, I believe. So yeah, but it's got a nickel-plated brass top. And I also got another Coleman there. That's a model 242B, I believe. Top's kind of rough, but still. And another Coleman. We got a nice one there. That's a model, let's see, model 321C. Looks like it's been repainted, unfortunately. But still, maybe good for parts. And another Coleman. So we got 6 Colemans total. This one, I think, is a model, I can't tell. Can you guys tell? Anyway, nice original globe. Should be okay. Actually, that's a better globe than I thought. It's got the sunrise on it there. Anyway, that's a good one. So yeah, so got those 6 Colemans and such, and then I'll show you some other stuff. And then these I found in a bucket, a big pail that had a lid on it. Open up the lid and there's all these parts. Anyway, got 4 or 5 brackets in various states of disrepair. Couple bent, and the missing a few screws, etc., etc. So they're all parts. One good shade. This shade is pretty wrecked. Probably should have just left it behind, but who knows? Maybe somebody will decide they want that. Anyway, so we got those. Then got a stop and slow sign. Slow and stop. Stop and slow. Right there. And a barn window. These are popular. I do have 4 at the moment. This makes 5, but they do sell. So, and the next thing I did buy that's not in this video are 2 butcher racks that you'll see in the video of the pick itself. So you may see those in a later video, we'll see, but did get those as well. And let's see, total, I haven't shown you the best parts yet, but total I spent $730. So a fair chunk of money, but got some neat stuff. Might have overpaid for a couple of these pieces due to condition that I'm about to show you now. But watch the sun. I got a gate right there. So got that. Maybe getting some other gates, we'll see. And a cock shut, and that's not a sign. A lot of people try to sell these as signs. They're not signs. They're pieces from the spout of the threshing machines. So that's what that is. And then we got a railway car mover right there. And then 2 signs off of the railway station. So this was Wood North, Manitoba. Again, there's not much left of Wood North, very little. And the condition of the signs, unfortunately, are pretty poor. This one has rot at the end. It's pretty punky. It's almost spongy. And same with this one's got a bit of rot, and the surface is not great. So, but they're there. I paid too much. I ended up giving, I think, 100 for this one, 150 for this one, figuring that this one would clean up better, and didn't realize and didn't look close enough and realize the end is all punky. So probably not going to double in this one. Might double in this one. We'll see. Neat local history still. Had to rescue them. And got this track sign. These were along the sides of the track. So we got Cromer 1 mile and Wood North 1 mile. So those, I may make up my loss on those. We'll see. Because I think I gave 50 a piece for those. Those should be good for 100 and a quarter, 100 and a half. But it'll even out these, hopefully. We'll see. Yeah, I paid up decently for this stuff. I appreciated getting the opportunity to pick the property. So. Anyway, yeah, that's about it, folks. So, please be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, scrapping, and leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite piece was. Okay, take care, folks.